Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Get ready to meet the Realme Narzo 70 Pro 5G, the smartphone that's redefining the game. Get ready to experience the future with the Realme Narzo 70 Pro 5G. Featuring a stunning 6.7-inch AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, this device promises a visual extravaganza with vibrant colors and seamless motion. At the heart of its camera capabilities is India's first Sony IMX890 OIS camera in the segment, ensuring every picture is captured with stunning clarity and detail. Powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7050, the Narzo 70 Pro 5G delivers exceptional performance, making it a perfect companion for gaming and multitasking. With a 5000 mAh battery and fast charging, this smartphone ensures you have enough power to last through the day, and with fast charging, you're quickly ready to go again. The Realme Narzo 70 Pro 5G is not just a phone, it's a statement of style and technology, available in glass green and glass gold colors. Experience the perfect blend of style and technology with the Realme Narzo 70 Pro 5G. Get ready to elevate your smartphone experience.